right, everybody. Hey, welcome back today to another video. This is Marybeth Angelelli back with you. And just allow me to begin by showing you what is possible when you get started, when you take action, when you plug in, show up every day, and commit and be consistent with your daily marketing efforts. Okay? So we're just going to go right here. This came in yesterday, which was Saturday. Okay? And as you can see, there is my name right there. There is the date and the time stamp, and another $600 customer joined. And that brought me another 100% commission of $600. Okay, so we're going to go here. And then on Friday, which was the 15th, there it is again. I had a previous customer decide to upgrade to the 600 because this coming week we are getting ready to launch something really big inside of our amazing community. Okay, so anybody who is at the premium level at the time of launch is going to get access to 3 additional income streams. These are 3 additional products. They're worth $1,000. There's going to be a $100 product, a $300 product, and a $600 product, okay? And you're going to get the promo on those for $29. All right, so let me go ahead and take you inside of the amazing community right now, just to show you around a little bit. This is our classroom. This is where we are equipping our members with the knowledge, the information, and the skill set to be able to have these kind of paydays, $600 a day. Once you enhance your skill set, then you are going to be able to position yourself, so long as you show up every single day and remain consistent with your marketing efforts, follow the process, the blueprint, and put forth your 2-hour-a-day workflow. This is going to give you the potential to consistently earn these $600 paydays, and that's going to equip you with the potential to earn $219,000 a year, because that's what that comes out to be. Now, with the launch coming, this is going to expand your horizons. It's going to open more doors. It's going to give you 3 more products, okay? 3 more digital products that are going to be high in demand, and this is going to and should catapult your income potential to take you from $600 a day or more currently to even more, because you're going to have, instead of having just 4 income streams, if you're a premium level customer currently, you're going to have 3 additional income streams for a grand total of 7 income streams. Okay, very soon. This is getting ready to release and launch this coming week. So I'm just really super excited. This is what I highly recommend anybody that gets started to come in this classroom every single day, work on yourself, work on your skill set, okay? So that you can go out there and create that consistent, predictable, reliable daily pay income, because what's coming is going to be really big and really spectacular. And right now we're changing so many lives worldwide. Wait until these 3 new products launch. I mean, it's going to be absolutely spectacular. Okay, beyond words. Absolutely beyond words. So, see, everything is here. We've got these packaged up into modules, simple step-by-step video tutorials to show you, literally take you by the hand and guide you and walk you through. Getting started training, this is where you begin. This is our current 90-day sprint that's running, and we're just breaking so many records here. Members are really taking this serious. They're plugging in, they're showing up, and they're growing. Okay, that's why this name is so applicable to the digital growth community, because we have digital products, very high demand digital products in the e-learning industry, and we're all learning while we're earning, and we are growing in the process, and we're growing in so many different wonderful ways. This is an extension of the actual digital products themselves. So much value here within this TikTok training itself. This is where the magic really originates, with our automated funnels, okay, because these are out there working for us literally 24/7, 365. This makes it a rejection-free business model. We don't have to stress over hearing the word no, because of the way these are structured. They do our telling, our selling, our explaining, and all of our follow-up for us, and they do an amazing job for us every single day of the week. Okay, they're out there working around the clock. Okay, while we're sleeping, they're working. And that's how so many of us are able to wake up to these instant pay commissions, $300, $600 all week long. Okay, because of this right here. Now, this is where the excitement is going to be starting this coming week. I'm so excited. And if you're a member and if you're in this community, you definitely want to go into the updates on the launch and explore all these videos and all the announcements. Everything's going to be announced as we get close and go live. Okay, so definitely stay tuned here. These are the brand new products, the Digital Mastery, we have the Legacy Builder, and we have the Passive Daily Blueprint. Okay, a $100 product brand new, soon to be launched, $300 product soon to be launched, and a brand new $600 product. So that totals $1,000 worth of products. Okay, and you're going to be able to earn commissions 100%. This is all direct member to member, 100%. There's no waiting around to get paid. So you'll have your 4 existing products if you're a premium level member, plus you'll be able to add on 3 more. So it's just going to be absolutely wonderful what you're going to be able to learn and how you're going to be able to expand upon your knowledge and your skill set and just continue to grow as we move forward in 2024. So really, if you are seeking more in 2024, you are in the right place at the right time. You could not be in a better place. Okay, you could not be in a better place. So we give you so many more expandable free resources with your IPS digital products. For anyone who really is a massive action taker, a high achiever, this is some awesome potential to work up to 6 figures in 6 months. How to discover your perfect customer. Now this is where the real magic is, because once you truly grasp and understand exactly who that perfect customer is, then it becomes, a total game changer and a complete shift in a big, big way, because then you're able to take your content and you're able to create it and make it relatable around that perfect customer so that they can resonate better with you and with your content. And this ultimately, in the process of doing such, is going to enhance those conversions, okay, and your income potential. This is really, really powerful stuff right here. And then if you're somebody who chooses not to want to do these talking videos for whatever reason, then we have different options and alternatives for you, and we show you how to build a faceless brand, on social media. We've got a 90-day ramp-up challenge. We've got the Monday mentorings, and we have everything is recorded. It's all uploaded for the replays. And there we are, folks. This was our last 90-day sprint from last year. Everything's uploaded. The replays are right here. So this classroom is just absolutely awesome. It really is. There's just so much content. It's an expansion. It's an extension of the digital products themselves. And this training is just worth so much. You're able to get it for free, folks, as a paid member of the IPS, okay? And this is, in my opinion, it's worth thousands of dollars. Okay, it really is. I mean, it's going to really equip you with everything you need from A to Z to become a successful digital marketer and truly change your life in so many ways that you probably didn't even know was even possible, okay, in 2024. So with that being said, folks, before I conclude, I'm just going to go ahead and bring you inside of the community, because I always like to inspire people and just show you how the impact of what we have here in the classroom, the extension of the training and everything that's there is changing lives worldwide. I mean, members are winning. I mean, we are just growing by leaps and bounds. We are expanding at an unprecedented rate, okay, in here, and we're just creating, where we're changing lives. I mean, bottom line. And soon to be, we are going to be going down and making history in the digital marketing space as soon as these 3 new products launch. Okay, you just, watch and see what is about to happen. But actually, you don't want to be sitting on the sidelines anymore. In order for things to change for you, you've got to jump in. Okay, my recommendation is you jump all in, you take action, you become part of this, folks. Okay, you can't be afraid. You've got to dissolve those fears. If you want a massive change in your life, in your finances, both personally, professionally, financially, you've got to become part of us, folks, and you've got to become a paid member so that you can start winning, okay? I mean, look at this, folks. I mean, look at this. Biggest day yet. Just started 18 days ago while playing with my granddaughters. Boom, sales were coming in, ending the day with a total of $2,450. And this person literally just started 18 days ago. Can you wrap your head around that? Can you envision this? I mean, this truly, once you get started, folks, the sky's the limit. Great things can be coming your way too, but you have to get started. Look, $1,200 a day right here. 2 $600 customers on a beautiful 70-degree Saturday. Okay, $1,800 in 2 days. First faceless TikTok post, $1,200 day, $600 today, $600 before 9:30 a.m. This person undoubtedly woke up to sleep money because their freedom machine, their funnel was out there doing what it does, doing what you want it to do. You're telling, selling, explaining for you through your follow-up series, folks. Okay, it's automated and it does an amazing job. Okay, look at this $150 boom, challenging myself to make $30,000. Of course, you have to have personal goals, folks. You really do. Okay, and we teach you all about that through the personal development component within, the digital marketing training. $300 overnight. See, another person woke up to $300. This is very real, folks. I can't make it up. Can't make this stuff up even if I wanted to. $100 receipt from an upgrade. $150 came in. $600 on a date night. Ding while in my happy place. $600 sell from my live from someone that has never seen me before. Look at this, folks. Once we show you how to build your brand and how to discover your perfect customer and create content around the perfect customer that is relatable to your perfect customer, that they resonate with, folks, this is what is happening. $600 sell from my live from someone that has never seen me before. Okay, that's because this person understood who their perfect customer was and they were creating content around their perfect customer. Okay, they were building that all important know, like, and trust. Okay, in the eyes of their perfect customer, in the eyes of their prospect. And we teach you exactly how to do all of that. Attraction marketing is quite a powerful thing, folks. It really is, when you understand exactly how to do it. And that's exactly what you're going to learn, folks. You are going to be learning while you're earning. It's a wonderful, wonderful process, okay? I'm at $13,398 for the month. I mean, look at this, folks. Look at what's possible here, okay? Another $600 coming in hot, $50 ding, $150 ding, $900 day, $600, well, four-wheeling, woke up with $450 even when I'm 60. That was another perfect prime example of the power and potential of an automated system that is able to bring about and evoke sleep money, folks. Okay? People are earning around the clock 24/7 because the internet never sleeps. Okay? 71 new leads today. Best webinar. Making money has never been more exciting from South Africa. Woohoo. I created my freebie for all my potential customers who want to learn more about online digital marketing to keep it real within my funnel. Okay, so look at this, folks. This is absolutely amazing. So I think you get the gist of this, folks. I showed you, what came in for me, $900 in less than 24 hours. And, we are having an amazing month here, folks. Great things are happening. What I'm going to do is I'm going to drop my link below so that you can come on through. You're going to go to dailypaywithmarybeth.com and you're going to get to experience firsthand the power behind this amazing automated funnel that we refer to as our freedom funnel. It's awesome, folks, okay? dailypaywithmarybeth.com. This is exactly what it looks like, okay? This converts amazingly well. I have a wealth of results-oriented posts and proof across my different social media websites and platforms, folks. And I'm just one person. We have 11,000 members inside of our digital growth community. We are growing, like I indicated, at an unprecedented rate, folks. And I'd love nothing more than to invite you to come inside and become part of this and take action, folks, so that you can experience, life-changing results, just like me, just like countless other people inside of our community, folks. I mean, if you're looking for a change, this has never been a better time. And we're about to make history. We're about to be going down in history starting this coming week, folks, when we launch these 3 brand new products. So if you come all in at the premium level, you're going to get all 3 of them. So you're going to go from 4 income streams to 3 more, giving you 7. Lucky 7. And you know what I always tell people, the average millionaire has at least 7 streams of income, folks. So you can well position yourself for nothing but pure greatness, folks, in the days, the weeks, and the months ahead. But you got to take action, because nothing happens until you do that, folks, okay? Hopefully you understand, and you know, I can't force anything upon anybody. I can just be here, you know, continuing to uplift, motivate, and inspire you, and just show you that this absolutely is the real deal. I mean, I've been showing proof since I got started in this back in March of 2021. Fast forward, we're now March of 2024. 3 years later, still working. I mean, it's actually working so much better, okay? We're just expanding horizons. We're welcoming so many people from all around the world into what we have here. Something that has been tested, something that is proven, and something that absolutely positively works. And of course, if you need to, I encourage you to definitely go out there and do your research and due diligence, okay? So you just put your email in. Yes, send me the blueprint. You'll come inside. You'll be taken and redirected to my thank you page, and then you're going to be taken to my video sales page. And you'll get to see everything firsthand. You'll be looking for a welcome email. When you do get started, it's going to have a link for you to go ahead and register, and you'll just follow the simple process. If you have any questions, text or call me. My contact details are below. And by the way, last Friday, we had an awesome webinar. I uploaded the replay to my YouTube channel, Retire with Marybeth. It's a must watch. You've absolutely got to go in there and watch it. These just continue to get bigger and better every single week. I mean, they're powerful. Oh gosh, the testimonials that people are sharing, I mean, evoke so much emotion and just trigger so much emotion. And if you're not moved by these testimonials, folks, you know, you just might want to check your pulse, okay? Just absolutely awesome. So that link is below for easy, quick access, but I also uploaded it to my YouTube channel. Definitely check it out if you're serious about wanting to find out how this can change your life in 2024. Check it all out. Go to my website, review everything, watch the replay, and then let's get you going. But you know what? This is time sensitive, and the clock is ticking, because this is going to be the week that we are going to go into launch, and you are going to be able to get 3 more products, folks. 3 more products. And that is truly going to absolutely change you and change your life in a big, big way if you take action. So you know what to do next, folks. Come on in. Let's get you going today, and I will hopefully see you on the inside. I'd love nothing more than to be reading your success story and your testimonial and how this is impacting you in a great way very soon. Let's get you going today, folks. Do not wait. Do not wait. Okay? You absolutely must take action. There has never been a better time. This is the real deal, folks. Let's get you going today. I'll see you on the inside. Look for my welcome email, and welcome to the team in advance. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.